President William Ruto augite murigo munene uria ugomeire mabũrũri ma Afrika wa kwaga kĩgĩna kĩiganu gĩa kũgacĩrithia marĩa maturigicĩirie ni ũndũ ũmwe uria utumite mabũrũri maya gũthie hathara nene rĩrĩa marethana na kĩgĩna gĩkĩ.
Climate change and sovereign debt are now firmly integrated, trapping governments in a vicious cycle where increasing losses and damage from climate impacts leads to rising costs of mobilizing resources for public investment.
We must be resolute about taking decisive action to build more climate-resilient economies.
Kuri uguo augite ati thirikari ni iratumira mbeca nyingi hari uramati wa maria maturigicĩirie, akiuga kĩgĩna kuma kuri bengi ya ũkũria wa Afrika kĩongererwo nginyagia dora bilioni 25.
Climate change is a threat multiplier. Its direct impact and related responses negatively affect our fiscal position through reduced revenues and increased public spending.
We have opportunities to reboot our policy framework and efforts to develop a more competitive and integrated economies in Africa that will attract greater investment.
Augite mabũrũri ma Afrika magĩrĩire gũteithĩrĩrio nĩ bengi ĩno nĩguo gũkinyanĩria muoroto wa mabũrũri maya harĩ ũkũria oro ũndũ ũmwe na gũthingata marĩa maturigicĩirie ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 10 gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 2024 na 2032.
The capacity of our multilateral development institutions, we strongly support the proposal to rechannel special drawing rights through the Africa Development Bank as endorsed by the Africa Union's Assembly of Heads of State and Government.
Maritie o marĩ gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa 59 kĩa bengi ĩno kĩa o mwaka kĩrĩa kĩhanĩkĩte gũkũ Nairobi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua Waboshi.